Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Diwali to all. So today's video is a part 2 of making my whole outfit from scratch for Diwali. In the previous video, I showed you guys Artsipura market in Bangalore where I bought the fabric and trims and a lot of interesting stuffs like branded tops, Forever 21, Dressberry, etc. for just rupees 125. So check that video, I will mention it in the description box below, and let's begin with this video with a quick mini haul. I bought plain 2 meters of net fabric for 100 rupees. 4 meters of this satin, that was for 160 rupees. And embroidered organza sari, it was 6 meters of sari for 400 rupees, and 18 meters of lace for just rupees 120. So the total came to 790 rupees only. Now let's see the construction part of it. So there are only two measurements required for making the lehenga, that is waist measurement. My measurement came 28 inches. As I'm making full circular, I divided 28 by 8 and your desired length. Start off by marking those measurement and cut it off. You will end up having two semicircle pieces. I did similar thing for the satin fabric too. The only difference was I kept the length 2 inches shorter. Next step is to finish the raw edges. I choose picot hem because it lays flat and doesn't curl the fabric in. Similarly, I did it for the lining fabric too. So next I am joining two semicircles with a regular straight stitch to make full circle, and again I am doing this for the lining fabric too. Then I am adding the lace on the entire bottom round. Then I joined the main fabric to lining from waist so that it stays in place when I add side zipper and belt. For the blouse, I have made a separate video in past. You can check that video out. I'm using the similar method to make this blouse as well. Then lastly I added lace on all the four edges of the dupatta. So here is the final look. You can check more pictures on my Instagram or on my Pinterest. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Bye, see you in next video.